where a lot of support comes from the government. Universities can only survive in the present circumstances from the grant and aid from the federal and the provincial government. I must acknowledge the support which is given by the government of Sindh towards a recurring grant which no other province is doing so far. And because of that grant and aid, we have been able to heavily subsidize the education. And hence the fee that is charged in this institution serves people like me who are coming from a middle class and lower middle class background. And it is so heartening to see that these public sector institutions have actually created a huge socio-economic impact which nobody has actually ever measured. But if the economics department in the University of Karachi can take the lead and see if they can measure the socio-economic impact of University of Karachi or other university for the last 25 years, this will be some astounding figures which will be beyond anybody's imagination, I can assure you that. And this contribution of this building is a small addition to what the state is providing to us. But obviously from our concept to getting a building done, there are tremendous efforts required. And there's a lot of leadership that is required. From fetching the funds to dealing with the contractors and getting the work done is no easy task. I have been in contact with Dr. Shagufta for the last couple of years, and she's one of the most dedicated person that I have ever come across. Her dedication are no less than her too. Surviving in a university with sole engineering program, I'm sure is not easy. To understand the requirements of the regulatory bodies, which to me are nothing less than a policeman. And for Pakistan Engineering Council, even though I've been an integral part of Pakistan Engineering Council, but sometimes it is a little difficult to handle. And I envy Dr. Shagufta's perseverance to pursue the case of accreditation on a daily basis with the Pakistan Engineering Council. For this, she deserves a lot of commendation. In the end, I would like to congratulate the university administration,